Good morning, children. In yesterday class, we studied in exercise number 1.2. We solved the from 1 to 5th main problems, right? So up to 1 to 5th main completed in exercise number 1.2. So today we'll start from the 6th question. Okay? So in 1.2, that is sixth question. So today we'll solve the sixth question, that is, see here. First, sixth one is add minus 2 by 5 and its multiplicative inverse. Add minus 2 by 5 and its multiplicative inverse. What is the multiplicative inverse of a minus 2 by 5? Minus 2 by 5, and what is the multiplicative inverse? Minus 5 by 2. Multiplicative inverse is nothing but a what? It is a reciprocal of a given number, right? So here we have to take the reciprocal of that number, means minus 5 by 2. So here they given add minus 2 by 5 to its multiplicative inverse. Its multiplicative inverse. So here we are adding a minus 2 by 5 to its multiplicative inverse. What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 2 by 5? Multiplicative inverse is equal to is minus 5 by 2, right? Multiplicative inverse of minus 2 by 5 is a minus 5 by 2. So now we are adding these two. Add means addition. So do the addition now, that is minus 2 by 5 plus here minus 5 by. Why we have to take a minus 5 by 2 only? Here it is a minus, because multiplicative inverse value is nothing but the what? If you multiply both the values, then it must be a 1. So we want a plus positive 1, means we have to multiply with the minus sign only. Then only we will get a 1. So that is why the multiplicative inverse of a minus 2 by 5 is always a minus 5 by 2. Okay? So here we are adding, and here we have to take a first open this bracket, that is equal to minus 2 by 5 and minus 5 by 2. Okay, what is the LCM of 5 and 2? That is 10. Here 5 2s are, here 2 5s are. That is minus 4 minus 25. So answer will be what here? Minus 29 by 10. Getting everyone? So here 5 and 2 are different values. So that's why I am taking a LCM. I hope everyone know that how to take a LCM of a given two numbers. Okay. So 5 and 2 is there. So LCM of a 5 and 2 is a 10 here. So after that 10. 5 2s are, and again here 2 5s are. So what will be the value here? 2 into 2 is minus 4 and 5 into 5 is minus 25. So you have to, if both are a negative sign, then we have to add the numbers here. So minus 25 plus 4 is a 29, and the sign will be always minus only, because the bigger number containing a minus sign, and in the denominator 10 is there. So minus 29 by 10 is the answer here. Getting everyone? Okay, fine. So this is the sixth question. Next, we'll solve the seventh question. Seventh one is multiply 3 by minus 7 and its additive inverse. Multiply 3 by minus 7 and its additive inverse. What is the additive inverse value for any number? What is the additive inverse of a? Shall I rub this? Okay, I can rub here. So 6 problem more. We will solve the 7th problem now. Seventh one. See, multiply 3 by 7 and its additive inverse. Multiply 3 by minus 7 and its additive inverse. Okay, so we have to multiply 3 by minus 7 with the additive inverse value. What is the additive inverse of a 3 by minus 7? 3 by minus 7 is nothing but what? Minus 3 by 7. What is the additive inverse? Additive inverse means negative of that, right? So if A is a given number, then minus A is the additive inverse of that given number. But here they given only negative number only they given here. So what we have to write here? That is a positive value of this 3 by 7. So inverse of minus 3 by 7 is the 3 by 7. Okay, so right here additive inverse of minus 3 by 7 is 3 by 7. Okay, additive means minus 3 by 7 plus 3 by 7, you will get the 0 value only, because additive element is always 0, not a multiplicative. I am telling here, only I am telling the additive inverse means you take a what? Negative sign of that given number. Again they given here negative sign, so that's why I am taking a positive. If positive is there, then negative will be the additive inverse. If a negative is there, then positive will be the additive inverse value, and additive identity is always 0. Okay, but in multiplicative inverse is always multiplicative identity is always 1, and multiplicative inverse, how to take that value? That is reciprocal of that number. Okay, so here minus 3 by 7 is a given number, and what is the additive inverse of this? Additive inverse of minus 3 by 7 is a 3 by 7, and they told multiply those two values. So you have to multiply now, that is minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 7, that is minus 3 3s are 9 and 7 7s are 49. So this is the answer, minus 9 by 49 is the answer. Okay, so next we'll move to the 8th question. Verify the property x into y plus z is equal to x into y plus x into z of a rational numbers by taking the values a and b. One they given, eighth one I'll do, b one you have to do it in your home. Okay, so we'll solve the 8th question now. This is nothing but a what? In 8th question they given a, that is the distributive property. Everyone observe properly. That is nothing but a what? That is a distributive property they given. While I am telling the properties, I said as a ABC. For ABC, I told the distributive property, but here they given for X, Y, Z. That is the difference is there here. So 8th one is X into Y plus Z. Like this they given, right? Okay, fine. So next what will be it is x into y plus x into z. Okay, so this is the, now we have to verify like this. They didn't given a brackets here. If you want to do, then if you want to take a brackets, then take, otherwise leave, it doesn't matter, all are same only. Okay, so first they given a 8th one I'll solve, and b one you have to do it in your home. That is 8th one, x equal to what they given? X is equal to minus 1 by 2, and y is equal to what they given here? Y is minus 3 by 4, and z equal to 1 by 4 they given here. Okay, they given a x, y, z. You have to put it in a given equation. It is called as the equation. Why it is called as the equation? Because the some value is equated to some values, right? Whether it may be a variables or a numbers, it doesn't matter. If that algebraic expression containing a equal sign means, that is called as the equation. Okay, so here we have to take a first LHS value, after that RHS value. First take the LHS value. LHS is equal to x into y plus z. X is what? Minus 1 by 2 into y is what here? Minus 3 by 4. Z is what? 1 by 4. Okay. So do the problem now. That is, First we have to solve the bracket. So do the bracket, in bracket addition is there. So add the values. The denominator is same. So no need to take a LCM here. That is nothing but 4 only here. Minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus, if 1 is a minus, then we have to do the subtraction and put the sign of a bigger number. Bigger number sign is here minus. That's why I am putting a sign minus. Minus 2 by 4. Okay. So it is minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 4. Can I cancel here? 2 ones are 2 ones are. Okay. So that is nothing but a minus 1 by 4. So this is called as the what? LHS value. This is the LHS value. Now we have to do the RHS value. Because they say to verify this equation whether it is satisfied for these values or not, they are asking now. So we did already LHS value now. So we have to do RHS now. Okay, RHS. What is the RHS? X into Y plus X into Z. What is the value of X here? Minus 1 by 2 into Y is minus 3 by 4 plus again minus 1 by 2 into Z is 1 by 4. Okay. So here minus into minus what it is? Minus into minus it is plus here. So plus 3 by 8 plus next here minus into plus is minus. So 1 by 8. That is nothing but 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8. That is 2 by 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So what is the value here? 1 by 4. Whether it is a true? Whether it is a true? Here we are getting a minus 1 by 4 and here we are getting a, wait 1 second. Sorry, here minus into minus what here? Minus into minus it is plus. Okay, observe everyone. Here minus 1 by 2 is there, minus 2 by 4 is there. So 2 ones are 2 4. So here minus 1 by 2 and again minus 2 by 4. Minus into minus what? It is plus. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Here also plus 1 by 4. So plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 means it satisfied. It's a verified value. So it holds this equation, right? So what they told, verify the property for a rational number by taking the values x, y, z like this. So here what we did, we got a LHS value as a 1 by 4 as well as the RHS value as the 1 by 4. So here what we have to write, verified. Right here LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS and verified. Okay. So next we'll move to the 9th question. Before that I am telling once again, B question please do it in your home. Same method. First write the equation. After that x, y, z values. Right. After that take the LHS value. LHS value you have to take here LHS. Then put the values of x and y, z and substitute and simplify the problem and you will get a one solution here. And again take a RHS and put the values of x, y, z. After that you will get a one value, and whether if RHS and LHS are equal, we can say it is a verified and it's a holds good. Okay. If it is not a equal, it is not a satisfied. Right? It is not a satisfied like that. Okay. So I hope everyone understood this problem. So next we'll move to the next question, that is the ninth main is for x equal to 3 by 7 and y equal to minus 9 by 8, verify that x plus y is equal to y plus x. So you have to do like that. That is the ninth question. It is the ninth question. What they told to verify here, that is x equal to 3 by 7 and y is equal to minus 9 by 8. So you have to verify. First one is x plus y equal to y plus x. This is nothing but a what here? This is nothing but a in additive commutatives. Okay, in addition, this is a commutative law. Okay, in addition it is. But here, put the value of x, take LHS only, that is x plus y. So LHS x is 3 by 7 plus, plus into minus is minus only, so I am directly writing that is a minus 9 by 8. So now take the LCM, 56 here, 8 are here, 7 are, 8 is at 24, 9 7 are 63. What will be the answer here? 63 minus 24, that is 13 minus 4 is 9, 6 minus 3 is 3. So minus 39 divided by 56. Okay, so here LHS, take the LHS, x plus y is equal to 3 by 7 minus 9 by 8 and 24 minus 63, 56, and here we are getting a minus 39 by the 56 because here bigger number containing the negative sign, so that's why I am taking here a negative sign. Okay, so next take the RHS. RHS is what here? Y plus x. Y is what here? Y is minus 9 by 8 plus 3 by 7. Again take the LCM, that is 56. So here 7s are, here 8s are, that is a minus 63, and here plus 24, that is nothing but a minus 39 by 56. So both the LHS is equal to RHS verified. Write a verified. Okay, so like this you have to do here. What they given? X value and y value they given. In the last problem, in the 8th problem, they given a equation in a question and they given a x, y, z values in a question and you have to solve the problem. But here they given already x and y value and the equation you have to check whether it is a satisfying for these values or not. You have to check that. So here x plus y and y plus 6 is there. It is nothing but a commutative law in a addition. Okay. So here take the LHS value, that is x plus y, and after that substitute the values of x and y in that equation and do the problem, then you will get an answer, and after that take a RHS is a y plus x, and again substitute the values of x and y and do the problem, you will get an answer. If the RHS and LHS are equal, then write the verified here. So LHS equal to RHS, so verified. Like that you have to write. So next one is a x into y and y into x is there. X into y into x is there. So same, but here we are doing addition. Instead of doing addition, we have to multiply here. X into y and y into x, substitute the values of x and y and multiply those two numbers. If you get the same answer, then write LHS equal to RHS and verified. Like that you have to write. So Bth one you have to do it in your home. Not Bth one, second one they given here. So second one do it in your home only. Next one, but in HW as well as the CW, so you have to write all the things, right? Otherwise it's not a correct. Getting everyone? So please write up all the things, otherwise it's a very difficult. All the problems you have to do it in a HW as well as the after that put it in a CW. 1.1, 1.2 up to whatever I am telling, that much you have to write it in a CW also, because you are not a small kids here. Okay, you are a high school students, so please you know how to write all the things in a CW as well as the HW. So please and maintain the discipline in a CW, otherwise I'll tear the page and again you have to write all the notes there. Getting everyone? Okay. So next one, 10th question is there. 10th question is for A equal to 2 by 3 and B equal to 4 by 5 and C equal to minus 5 by 6. Verify that. You have to verify. 10th one. Tenth question. A is equal to 2 by 3 and B is equal to 4 by 5, C equal to minus 5 by 6. Okay. So A equal to 2 by 3, B equal to 4 by 5 and C equal to minus 5 by 6 they given. You have to verify first they given here. A plus B is equal, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. What is this property? This is called as the associative property. In addition, it is an associative property. Remember everyone? Okay, fine. So now put the values. So take a LHS only. LHS is what here? A plus B and plus C. And A is what? 2 by 3. Plus B is 4 by 5. Plus C is minus 5 by 6. Okay? Do the addition now. 5. So here different numbers are there. So you have to take the LCM of a 3 and 5. LCM of a 3 by 5, 3 and 5 is the 50 and 3 5s are and here 5 3s are. 5 2s are 10, 4 3s are 12. Next, open the bracket, that is a minus 5 by 6 here. And what is the addition here? 10 plus 12 is 22. So write here 22 by 50 minus 5 by 6. Again take the LCM of a 15 and 6. What is the LCM of a 15 and 6 here? 16, 6. 3 5s are, 3 2s are and 5 1s are, 2 1s are. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So 30 is the LCM here. 5 15 2s are, 6 5s are. So 22 2s are 44, 5 5s are 25. Now subtract the value 44 minus 25, that is 14 minus 5 is 9, 4 minus 3 is 9. Here 19 by 30 we got it. So the answer is here 19 by 30. 19 by 30, that is the LHS value. So now we have to do the RHS value. That is RHS is equal to what? What is the equation? RHS is A plus B plus C. That is A is 2 by 3 and B is 4 by 5 plus C is minus 5 by 6. That is nothing but a directly I'll write here minus. Okay. So 2 by 3 plus take a LCM of a 5 and 6, that is a 30 and here 6 are and here 5 are. That is a 6 4s are 24, 5 5s are 25. Okay. So 2 by 3 next plus here minus, I'll write directly minus 1 by 30 and what is the LCM here? LCM is 3 1s are, 3 10s are, that is 10 1s are. So 30 is the LCM and here 3 10s are, 10 2s are 20 minus 1, that is 19 by 30. So here we got the LHS equal to RHS. Then write the verified. Okay. Because see everyone here. Okay. See RHS is A plus B plus C and I am putting the value of A and B and C here. So C is a minus 5 by 6 is there. So directly I am writing here a minus sign. Getting everyone? So next what we have to do here 2 by 3. We have to solve the first bracket. In bracket whatever it may be, we have to solve the first bracket thing. So that is a 5 and 6 LCM is 30 and here 4 6 are 5 5 are and after that 4 6 are 24, 5 5 are 25. 24 minus 25 is a minus 1 by 30 because the bigger number containing a negative sign. So I am taking a negative sign, that is a 1 by 30 and again 3 and 30 take a LCM 30 here. Next 3 10s are 31s are only. So 2 10s are 20. Next minus 1. 20 minus 1 is 19 by 30. So 19 by 30 here. Here also 19 by 30. So LHS is equal to RHS. So we verified the things here. Getting everyone? Whatever I am saying here, it's a very easy problem. Don't feel it's a difficulty. Okay. Just what we have to do, they given us some equations as well as the A, B, C values they given already. So put the value of A, B, C and simplify the problem. Then you will get the answer. Only this much is there. Okay. So next one is into B and C. It is nothing but a what? Associative law in a multiplication they given here. See, this is the 10th one only. A is equal to this much, and this is the second problem. I did the first one now. So now second one is A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Okay, this is nothing but the associative law in a multiplication. So what we have to do first, take a LHS value, that is a into B into C. A is what here? 2 by 3, and B is what? 4 by 5, and C is what here? Minus 5 by 6. If nothing I am writing here means it is nothing but a multiplication only here. See, I am putting only brackets but didn't writing any multiplication or addition symbol here. It means what? It is must be a multiplication. Understood that? Okay. So here multiply 4 8 2 is 8 and 5 3 is 15 into minus 5 by 6. Again 5 1 is 5 3 is here. 2 3 is 2 4 is so 4 1 is 4 and 3 3 is 9. So answer is this much. That is minus because here is a minus sign is there. So next do the RHS value. That is A into B into C. A is what here? A is 2 by 3 and B is what here? 4 by 5 minus 5 by 6. That is 2 by 3. Here 5 we can cancel here, right? So next 2 3s are 2 2s are. That is a minus 2 by 3 only. So multiply minus 4 by 9. Right? So minus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9. What is the value here? LH is equal to RHS and then write a verify. Okay. So next one Tida. Next one what is there? Question is there. A into B minus C it is equal to AB minus AC. That is nothing but a what? It is a distributive property over the subtraction they given here. So you have to verify. I hope everyone understood. So we'll better do. Okay, I only do now. That is a third one problem here. In next class, that is the third one problem here. A into B minus C is equal to AB minus AC and take a LHS, that is a into B minus C. A is 2 by 3 and B is 4 by 5. C is minus value there, so it will become a plus. So 2 by 3. Next 5 6 are 30. Here 6 are 6 24 plus 25. 2 by 3 into 49 divided by 30. 2 1s are 2 15s are 3 1. Okay, cancel out. Okay, so here 59 by 15 3s are 45. So this is the answer. Now take the RHS value, that is AB minus AC. A is 2 by 3 and B is 4 by 5 minus A is 2 by 3 again and minus 5 by 6. Here 8 by 15 minus into minus plus 10 by 18 and take the LCM now, that is a 15, 18, 3 5s are 3 6s are 5 1s are 6 1s are. Okay, so here 5 3s are 15, 15, 6 are how much? 5 6 are 30, 33s are 90. Here we will get 90 here. And it may be a wrong here. Okay, 15 6 are 18, 5 are 48 minus plus 50, that is a 98 by 90 here. Cancel by 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 2 4s are 2 5s are. That is nothing but a what? 49 by 45. That is LHS is equal to RHS. So very fine. Okay. I hope everyone understood this one. Just take the LHS as well as the RHS value and substitute the values of all the A, B, C. Then do the problem. You will get the answer. Okay. So homework is from 6th to 10th question. You have to do the homework in a HW. After that, write it in a CW also. So in next class, we'll start from the 11th question. Okay. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you everyone.